Welcome to English Refine. Today, we will learn 50 essential English sentences. Good morning. How are you today? Hi there. Nice to meet you. Good evening. How was your day? Hey, long time no see. How have you been lately? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do for work? How old are you? Do you speak English? I'm going to work now. What time do you wake up? I usually have lunch at noon. What are your plans for today? I need to go shopping. Are you free this weekend? Would you like to grab a coffee? Let's meet at 6 p.m. How about dinner tonight? Should we watch a movie? Could you help me with this? I don't understand. Can you explain? When is the deadline? Great job on the presentation. I'll send you the email soon. How much does this cost? Do you accept credit cards? Can I have the menu, please? I'd like to order takeout. Where is the nearest supermarket? How do I get to the station? What time does the bus arrive? Could you call me a taxi? Is this seat taken? How far is it from here? Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the bathroom. Can you speak more slowly? Could you repeat that, please? I don't know how to get there. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I'm sorry about that. No problem at all. Take care. Have a great day. See you later. Good night. Take care of yourself. Looking forward to seeing you again. Subscribe for more English lessons.